So, Bob, that warm weather back today, no rain like we've been used to the last couple days.
Yeah, it's been unusual. You know, it's nice. Haley had the day off today and went to the beach. I'm sure she enjoyed it. Lots of sunshine around, and that's kind of a rarity this past week. It's been very wet and unusually wet for what we've been seeing here all spring long. Well, showers and storms are back in the forecast, but boy, tonight, beautiful sunset. Get a look at this nice siesta glow. Deborah sending that photo in to pics at mysuncoast.com. And Art, our man Art Conforti, getting the shot of the Ringling Bridge there. Sea's running less than 2 feet out there. Great boating weather for the weekend for the most part. Look at this reflectivity shot off, looks like Sarasota Bay. Joyce O'Neill getting that one with a bird right there at the apex at the clouds. Now, we are looking at a few inland clouds earlier today. Some clouds, actually fair weather cumulus clouds, and a few isolated inland storms earlier this evening. Those are winding down, but more moisture coming back to the weather picture as a frontal boundary, which brought us the slightly drier air today, is now going to be bouncing back as a warm front, and that will really bring the humidity back up. You'll feel that tomorrow, too. It was a pretty nice start today. Showers out in the Gulf of Mexico at this hour, indicating that, yes, we have a little bit of a disturbance there, some causing some lift, and there could be some coastal showers around by sunrise tomorrow. We're already starting to see some rain near Fort Myers, near Sanibel, and places to the south into the Keys. It's a very wet day today, but the bigger storms were around earlier. They're weakening right now, and that's a good sign. We'll see some of these storms push off to the east, at least the energy associated with it, and then it looks like a chance for showers in the inland areas later on in the afternoon. Now, I mentioned a few coastal showers. They'll be isolated. I think more concentrated storms will be in the inland areas throughout the day tomorrow. Sarasota 77, it's 76 in Braden out in the water. Venice now it's 82. We have clear skies there, clear sailing up and down the coast, and a couple degrees shy of the normal 88 degrees. Got up to 86 today. 96, the record set back in 1985, and no rainfall to report. For the month, we're at just under 5 inches, so we're doing pretty good. For the year now, we're 2 inches below average. That's it. So the drought has been somewhat helped out with the recent rains. The drought, again, still severe across parts of west central Florida. 67 in Jacksonville now, 74 in Orlando, 72 now in Miami, and 74 in Key West. That's at dew point temperatures, and the dew points really give you the story. In the summer months, it never goes below 70, and so we're starting to see that humidity value come back up a little bit. Tomorrow's forecast, a few isolated showers in the morning, and then mainly inland thunderstorms in the afternoon. High temperatures near the beaches, mid-80s, upper 80s to near 90 degrees if you're east of I-75. That wind will be out of the west, so a little sea breeze will develop, and that will keep a lot of the shower activity into the places like Hardy, DeSoto, Highlands County, eastern Sarasota, Manatee counties. I think by Sunday, though, we're going to get a better chance to see showers as storm work their way back toward the coast, like a typical summer pattern, and it appears that it's going to stick around, too, right through much of next week. So expect a good deal of shower and thunderstorm activity through the work week as we move on into the work week. Now, as far as the temperatures go right now, 64 in Buffalo, 71 in Boston, now 72 in Columbus, 68 in Indianapolis, and 73 in Rapid City, 80 in Bismarck, and Omaha, 81. So it's warmer than Omaha than it is here along the Sun Coast. Here's the forecast as we see it for boaters tomorrow. Winds will be relatively light, winds out of the southeast at 5 to 10 knots. And seas running 1 to 2 feet with a light chop out there. The water temperature really warming up back into the mid-80s, 85 degrees. Tides upcoming for Sarasota Bay. The next low tide will be at 7 o'clock in the morning, and the high tide will be at 12:43. And the forecast looks like this: a 20% chance for showers, otherwise partly cloudy skies. And then for tomorrow, we'll look for partly cloudy skies. High temperatures will warm into the upper 80s. Now, there's a 40% chance for scattered storms tomorrow, 50% chance on Sunday, and it gets higher on Tuesday and Wednesday of next week at 60%. And each and every day there will be showers and thunderstorms, and those storms will contain lightning, so be careful out there. When you hear the rumble of the thunder, get indoors.